How to get a free hosting and domain. Also install WordPress on there. Go to infinityfree.com, click on register, then sign up with your Google account. Then click create account. Select the free plan. Write here your subdomain name. Also select the domain extension. Write here your password and approve. Then click create account. It will take a few moments. After that, click control panel. Also keep save the username and the password. Now click approve. This is our cPanel. To install WordPress, go to Software Class App Installer. Select WordPress. Add HTTP. This is your domain. Write here your admin username. Also the password. Also keep save it. Then keep everything the same. Click install. It will take a few moments. After that, again go to your control panel, Software Class App Installer. Go to installation. Finally, this is our website. And from here, you can access the website admin panel.